Hello friends, today we were talking about excellent trick to find the solubility order. Okay, and first of all, you should know about the solubility. What do you mean by solubility? Okay, then I, I have taken some example here. Suppose I am taking a compound, salts, LiClO4, and I have put this compound in this aqueous solution. Then what we see, then the LiClO4 dissociate in the two ions. First is Li plus and the second ion is a ClO4 minus. Okay, this is the solubility. Means whenever we dissolve the salts in the aqueous solution, it dissociates in the two ions. Like in this example, Li plus and ClO4 minus. Now we see the trick. The trick is more the difference between their size is directly proportional to the solubility. जितना ज़्यादा डिफरेंस होगा साइज के बीच में उतना ही ज़्यादा उसका solubility होगा. This is the trick. This is the actual trick. Okay. More the difference between the size is directly proportional to solubility. Okay. Now we see some facts. This is the note 1. We know that in the group 1 and in the group 2, okay, the size are increasing from moving from top to bottom in the group. Okay, so the bigger size will be the CS plus, and in the second group the bigger size will be the BH2 plus. I hope you all know this about. Okay, and in the 17th group, F minus is the smallest size, and the I minus will be the greatest size. Okay, so this is the note 1, and we now talk about the note 2. We have to remember this large size and a small size. In the large size, this is the CO3 2 minus, NO3 minus, SO4 2 minus, ClO4 minus. We have taken this all in the category of a large size. Okay, and in the small size, OH minus is a small size, and the comparison to this, okay, CO3 2 minus, NO3 minus, SO4 2 minus, ClO4 minus, these are belonging to a large size. Okay, large size. Okay, and OH minus belongs to a small size. Okay, but there is a few exceptions in the trick. This first is a group 1 metal carbonate, and in the second one is a group 1 metal hydroxide. Okay, so these are the group 1 metal carbonates and group 1 metal hydroxide. These doesn't follow the tricks this. Okay, ये वाला ट्रिक को ये फॉलो नहीं करता है, सो इसीलिए मैंने यहाँ पे लिख दिया है कि these two are the difference in the size inversely proportional to solubility. Okay, in the first group, in the case of a carbonate and the hydroxide, we have to take the opposite of this. Okay, here is a more the difference between the size, here is a directly proportional, but here in this case group 1 metal carbonates and the group 1 metal hydroxide, there is a inversely proportional to solubility. Okay, difference in the size. Now we see the question that you get more clear. Okay, this is the question like this. First question is arrange the following in the solubility order. This is the question. Okay, and the first question is LiClO4, NaClO4, KClO4, RbClO4, CaClO4. Now what we have studied in the previous page, that ClO4 has the larger size. Okay, ClO4 minus is the larger size. When it dissociate in the aqueous solution, it dissociate into Li plus and ClO4 minus, and this is also Na plus Cl4 minus, K plus Cl4 minus, Rb plus Cl4 minus, Cs plus Cl4 minus. Like this all dissociate in the aqueous solution. So we have known that the Cl4 minus have the larger size. So and the Li has the a small size. Okay, Li plus is a small size and Cl4 minus is the larger size. So I have written like this here. This Cl4 minus is the large size and Li plus is the a small size. Okay, SS. Okay, and here in this case Na plus Cl4 मतलब Cl4 minus is a large size. So okay, large size, and this is also a large size. Now we see the trick is more the difference between the size is directly proportional to solubility. जितना ज़्यादा डिफरेंस होगा साइज के बीच में उतना ही ज़्यादा उसका solubility होगा. Now we see the question. Li plus and Cl4 minus. This is the large size and this is a very very small size. So this one has the very large solubility. Okay, so the order will be like this. Because LiCl4 have the large difference in their size in the comparison to CsCl4, because Cs is also a large size and Cl4 minus is also a large size. So there is a very minimum difference in the size. That's why this is the least solubility in the aqueous solution. Okay, and LiCl4 is the higher solubility in this order. Okay. Now the second question is LiNO3, NaNO3, KNO3, RbNO3, CsNO3. Now we have to compare the solubility order. So the trick is more the difference between the size is directly proportional to solubility. And we know that NO3 minus have the large size. Okay, so this is the CO3 2 minus, NO3 minus, SO4 2 minus, Cl4 minus have the large size and OH minus is the small size. So in this question here we NO3 is given, so NO3 belongs to large size. Okay, so what we do in this question, we just write above NO3 is the large size, large size, large size, large size, large size. Okay, and now you compare the which one of the following cation is the smallest size. A smallest size is the Li plus, because we have discussed about this. Li plus is the very very small size, so this is the very small size. Okay, in the comparison to Na plus, in the comparison to K plus, in the comparison to Rb plus, and in the comparison to Cs plus. So the order will be like this. Okay, because there is a large difference between their size, but in the CsNO3, Cs have also a large size and NO3 have also a large size. That's why this is the very least solubility and LiNO3 is a very large solubility. According to the trick, the more the difference between the size is more the solubility. Okay. Now see the question number 3. NaI, Ki, Rbi, CSI. Now we have to arrange in the following in the solubility order. So we know that I minus is a very large size. So right here LS. I minus is a large size. Okay, LS. Now you have to see the which one of the following is the cation will have the very least size, very less size. That one is the Na plus have the very minimum size, okay, because in the order of a group 1, this is the Li plus have the a smaller size than the Na plus, so Na plus is the very a small size, okay, a small size, and Cs plus is a Cs plus have the large size, okay, so there is a very large difference between their size, so NaI will be more soluble, more solubility, okay, the order like this is the answer, okay, because NaI have the very large difference in their sizes in the comparison to CSI, because in the CS is also a large size and I minus is also a large size, so there is very negligible difference between their sizes. That's why it's have a very less solubility. Now see the question number 4. This is LIPR, NABR, KBR, RBBR, CSBR. In this question, we have seen that this dissociate into Li plus Br minus, Na plus Br minus, K plus Br minus, and Rb plus Br minus, Cs plus Br minus. Okay, and we know that the Br minus have also a large size in the comparison to F minus. That's why we consider here Br minus is the as a large size. Okay, so this is the large size and this is the large size. This is also a large size. Br minus is a large size. Okay, now you compare among the cation which one have the very small size. Okay, more the small size, more the difference between their atomic, more the difference between their sizes. Okay, and hence the more solubility. So Li plus have the very small size, so this is the SS, a small size, and Cs plus is also have a large size. Okay, so there is negligible difference between the Cs plus and Br minus, so it's have low solubility, and LiBr have the more solubility, larger solubility, so the answer will be like in this order. Okay, LIBR, NABR, KBR, RBBR, CSBR. Because the LIBR, the size difference have the very much difference. बहुत ज़्यादा difference है इसमें. Because Li plus have the very small size and Br minus is a large size. So there is a large difference in their atomic sizes. That's why it's have more solubility. Now see the question number 5. BeCO3, MgCO3, CaCO3, SrCO3, BaCO3. When it dissociates like this, B2 plus CO3 minus. Okay, it dissociates like this, BH2 plus CO3 minus, MgH2 plus CO3 minus. Okay, CH2 plus CO3 2 minus, Sr2 plus CO3 2 minus, like this. Okay, so and we know that CO3 2 minus belongs to larger size category. Okay, so here we take the CO3 minus as a CO3 2 minus as a larger size. So CO3 2 minus is the larger size. Okay, now you compare the among the cations which have the very small size. So B have the very small size. So in the B have the smallest size in the comparison to Ba, and Sr and Ca and Mg. Okay, this have the a smaller size. Okay, that's why there is a much difference, very large difference between their size. BeCO3, that's why it's have more solubility in the comparison to BaCO3. That's why the order goes to following like this. Okay, and Ba, this will have the large size, and CO3 2 minus will have also a large size. So there is a very negligible difference. Okay, that's why it's have low solubility. Now we talk about the sixth question is BOH का whole 2, MgOH का whole 2, CaOH का whole 2. This is the hydroxide of the second group. Okay, this is the hydroxides of the second group, metallic hydroxides of the second group. So in this, and we have studied in the previous that OH minus is a small size. OH minus belongs to a small size. Okay, we have to remember this. Okay, we have to remember this note too, that OH minus is a small size. And okay, so that's why we considering here OH minus is a small size. So this is the small size. Okay, a small size, a small size, a small size, a small size. Okay, now we see the cation. We need we we need large difference. That's why the more solubility. For the large difference, and we know that OH minus is a small size. So we have to find such cation that have a very large size. Okay, so in this BMgCa Ba, this is the Ba have the very large size. Okay, this is the large size, and B will be the a small size, because in the second group B will be a small size and BH2 plus is the large size. That's why BH2 plus have the large size and B has the small size, and more the difference between the sizes, more the solubility. That's why this is the large size and this is the small size. So more difference, so more solubility. That's why the BaOH whole 2 have is more solubility in the comparison to BOH का whole 2, and this is the least solubility. BOH का whole 2 is the least solubility among the order. So order goes like this. This is the answer. Now the last question. This is the LIF, NAF, RBF, CSF. Arrange the following in the solubility order. Okay. So what we have to do? We know the in the 17th group F minus have the very small size. So we considering here the small size. F minus has a small size. So this is the small size. This is a small size. F minus is a small size. Okay. Now we see the cation which have the very large size. Okay. Cesium have the very large size. Okay. In the group 1, we know the LINAKRBCS, top to bottom the size increases. So cesium have the large size and Li plus have the very small size. So this is the large size and this is the small size. Okay. And we know the more the difference between the size, more the solubility. That's why this is the large size. Cesium is a small. Cesium is a large size and F minus is the small size. So there is a very large difference between the size. That's why it's have more solubility. The order goes like this. Okay. Now we talk about the most important exception. Exception comes where if the questions contain group 1, sorry, I have to show this page. Okay. Exception in this trick क्या है? ठीक है. Group 1 metal carbonates, group 1 metal hydroxide. In these two types of metal carbonate and the metal hydroxide of the group 1, there are some exception. Okay. We have to do nothing but just opposite the result. Okay, just opposite the result what we have get from the previous trick, this trick. ठीक है. तो अगर कहीं पे क्वेश्चन में अगर ऐसा आ जाए कि Li2CO3, Na2CO3, K2CO3, Rb2CO3, CH2CO3, we have to compare the solubility order. So देखना क्या है कि Li, Na, K, Rb, CS ये आपका फर्स्ट ग्रुप का है और यहाँ पे मेटल कार्बोनेट्स की स्टेबिलिटी पूछी जा रही है. तो यहाँ पे एक्सेप्शन होता है. ठीक है. ग्रुप 1 मेटल कार्बोनेट्स और ग्रुप 1 मेटल अगर हाइड्रोक्साइड अगर दिया है और उसमें अगर सॉल्युबिलिटी अगर पूछ रहा है तो हम इस वाले ट्रिक से नहीं बनाएंगे. ठीक है. इसका सीधे हम अपोजिट कर देंगे. मतलब कि यहाँ पे इनवर्सली प्रोपोर्शनल हो जाएगा सॉल्युबिलिटी का, मतलब कि डिफरेंस बिटवीन द मोर देन डिफरेंस बिटवीन देयर साइजेस इनवर्सली प्रोपोर्शनल टू 1 बाई सॉल्युबिलिटी हो जाएगा। ये मैंने यहाँ पे ट्रिक में लिखा भी हूँ यहाँ पे कि डिफरेंस इन द साइज इनवर्सली proportional to solubility. So in this question, Li2CO3, Na2CO3, K2CO3, Rb2CO3, CH2CO3, in this we have to do, okay, so and we know that the CO3 minus belongs to large size, okay, so this is the large size and this is also a 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 large size. Now we have to see the cations, okay, we have to see what for the more solubility less difference in the size, मतलब कि अगर हमें इसमें ग्रुप 1 और ग्रुप 1 का मेटल कार्बोनेट्स और ग्रुप 1 का मेटल हाइड्रोक्साइड में एक्सेप्शन है, ठीक है, इसमें क्या हो जाएगा कि डिफरेंस इन साइज का डिफरेंस जितना कम होगा उतना सॉल्युबिलिटी ज़्यादा होगा, ठीक है। तो यहाँ पे साइज का डिफरेंस किस में कम होगा, तो सी एस होता है, सीजियम होता है इसका आपका तो लार्ज साइज होता है, ठीक है, और एल आई प्लस का आपका वेरी स्मॉल साइज होता है, ये हम जानते हैं, ठीक है। तो यहाँ पे क्या हो जाएगा कि we have to find the very least difference in the size, very small difference in the size, and that will be more solubility, okay. This one is the large size, there is very negligible difference in their sizes, that's why it's have the more solubility. The order goes like this, okay. This is the exception question. Group 1 and group 2 metal hydroxide, metal carbonates, they are exception, okay. Same way in the question number 2, LiOH, NaOH, KOH, RbOH, CSOH. Now we know that OH minus belongs to a small size, that's why we considering here a small size. OH minus a small size, OH minus a small size, KOH a small size, NaOH a small size, and here OH a small size, okay. Now we have to see among the cation Li plus, Na plus, K plus, Rb plus, Cs plus, we have to find such cation that very small size, okay. very small size में से कौन सा है, तो Li plus is the very small size, this is very small size, and that's why the solubility order goes like this. Cs plus is a large size, okay. So this is the exception. अगर कहीं भी अगर क्वेश्चन में अगर लिखा मिले ग्रुप 1 का अगर मेटल कार्बोनेट्स दिया रहे या फिर ग्रुप 1 का मेटल हाइड्रोक्साइड दिया रहे तो उसमें क्या करना है कि चेक कर लो कि साइज का डिफरेंस जितना कम होगा उतना ज़्यादा सॉल्युबिलिटी होगा, बस यही एक्सेप्शन है, ठीक है। बाकी सब यहाँ पे क्वेश्चन मैंने करा दिया, यही आपका ट्रिक था, बहुत ही मतलब this trick is very easy and in all the exams minimum 2 or 3 questions asked it on this topic, okay. So watch the video from a start to last, okay, and take the screenshot if you want, this one and this one. Subscribe the video if you like. वीडियो अगर अच्छा लगे तो सब्सक्राइब करना, ठीक है। और डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स में जाके बहुत सारे लिंक दिए हुए वीडियो के, जाके देखो, जाके अच्छे वीडियो है वहाँ पे, ओके। सो थैंक यू, बाय बाय, टेक केयर।